Hi, Timothy Unger here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the absolute value function in C. So I've included my header file and I've got my main function. To do this though, I do want to include one other header file. And so I'm going to type include and then stdlib.h. Okay. All right. So let's get started. I'm going to create two integers. One is the user number, and this is going to be inputted by the user of the program. And the next one is the absolute value. We're going to take the absolute value of that integer. Okay, so I'm going to print f to enter an integer with a colon and a space. And let's put a semicolon on the end of that. And then I'm going to scan f. I'm going to put a percentage sign and a D to scan an integer. We have to put our ampersand and then the user number. I'll put a semicolon on the end of that. And then we'll calculate the absolute value using this ABS, which is absolute value function. And then we're going to pass in the number we want the absolute value of. So we're going to pass in the number or the user number that we got from the user. Okay. And then at the end, we're going to do a printf and say the absolute value of the integer you entered is, and then we'll pass in that integer. Okay, and we'll have a /n. And we could say the absolute value of, and we could do another integer passed in. So we could first pass in the user number if we wanted to really be specific, and then do the absolute value. Whoops, let me just fix that. There we go. And let's make that a little bit smaller so it doesn't wrap. Okay, and then at the end, we'll return 0. Okay. All right, so now let's open up eShell or a terminal, and let's compile this. So absolute value, and we'll output just absolute underscore value. Okay, and now let's run absolute value. So we enter in an integer. Now I can enter in -5. Okay, so the absolute value of -5 you entered is -5. I might need to work on the grammar a little bit there, but the absolute value of -5 is +5. It's the distance -5 is away from 0, which is 5 units. Likewise, if I ran this again and put a positive number like 7, it would say the absolute value of the 7 you entered is 7. Okay, again, maybe I need to work on the grammar for that program, but this video just was to demonstrate the absolute value function. It is a function that is built into C that you can use. So I hope you found this video interesting. And if you did and you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.